What's up, everybody? Today is Sunday and I'm just at home chilling, having a lazy afternoon. I basically woke up this morning, looked in the mirror, and was like, wow, I'm really pale. And my spray tan is essentially all gone. And I just thought to myself, man, I look like a vampire. So that's how my inspiration was born today. I'm calling this my sexy Glampire makeup look. Anyways, so if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this Glampire looking makeup, then keep right on watching. Kicking things off with my Tarte concealer, I'm just using this to carve around my eyebrows to get a little bit more definition, and then I'm also going to use this product to prime my eyelids. So now I just want to powder over that concealer to set it in place. For this look today, we are using the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going in with Golden Ochre, and I'm just using this as my transition shade. So now I'm mixing Red Ochre and Love Letter together, and with an E40 Sigma blending brush, I'm placing this on the outer V of my eyelid. Also, when I'm working with dark pigmented colors, I like to just start lightly with it and then build upon the color, because you can always add more, but you can never take away. Using this Precision Blender brush by IT Cosmetics, I'm using it on the inner corner part of my eyelid, and I'm using those same two colors that I used on the outer V. Now picking up this rich chocolate brown color, I'm using a smaller blending brush and just deepening up that outer V a little bit more. Now I'm taking this very beautiful pressed pigment color called Untamed by Morphe, and I'm filling in that gap between the two shadows on the center of the lid. And to get a more dense pigmented application with this product, you can either wet the brush or just use your fingertips to apply it. So after the eyelid makeup is done, I like to just clean up underneath, and instead of using tape to create that wing cat eye shape, I just cut into it with a wet makeup wipe. Today we're using the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation. This is one of the palest foundation shades that I own, I'm pretty sure. It is a full coverage foundation, and to me it kind of feels like I'm wearing concealer all over my face. That's how thick it feels. I usually like buildable foundations. I never really go this thick, but it does stay very well and lasts a long time. So after my foundation is laid out, I just like to dab over it with a beauty blender to make sure everything is looking seamless. Today I'm using a Kryolan foundation shade to contour, and then I'm just going to blend that out as well with a beauty blender. So I'm just going to dust over everything with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm not exactly baking today because this foundation is very strong and thick and pretty much stays in place, but this is just going to help dry it a little bit more. Taking my Morphe bronzer and a large angled brush, I am just going over that contour that I laid out. Now I'm taking my AMC Black Gel Liner by Inglot, and I'm enhancing my cat eye just on the very edges and then slightly on top of the lid just a little bit, and then doing my waterline. Mixing Red Ochre and Venetian Red, I'm using that for the lower lash line, and I'm using that same blender brush that I used on my inner corner earlier. I'm also going to pop on some of that pigment on the lower lash line as well. For my ombre lips, I'm mixing these two NYX Liquid Suede lipsticks in a light red shade and a dark red shade. To get my ombre effect, I'm taking a little thin lip brush, and I'm taking that dark shade and outlining my lips with it, and then blending it inwards towards the center of my lips. And the more time you take with this, I've found the better it looks. So it might take a while, but it's worth it in the end. I just wanted to touch up my outer eye with that dark brown shade again. So now I'm just using some silk lashes to throw everything together. And then I'm using just some L'Oreal Carbon Black mascara to go over the lashes. So that is it for my Glampire makeup look. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and thank you for all of the support, and I will see you with my next video.